A little foodie told me about this 10-course tasting menu at Modan. Modan means modern Japanese. They only cater to 14 persons per sitting and there are 2 sittings per day, so it's a must to make a reservation. Our first dish is a clear and light tsukune soup, which is a perfect way to start our meal. Then we had the snow crab wrapped in corn dog, and we have to dip it in corn foam with ikura, and wow, I super love this dish. Oh, and did I tell you that this is an open kitchen so you can see all your food being made? This cute little thing is a macaron liver mousse with dried cranberries. Next is the gambero rosso with capsicum reduction and garnished with yuzu and chestnut. The shrimp is so delicate, sweet, and tender. We've heard so many good things about this tebasaki, and the way to eat it is to dip it first in the egg yolk. Their focaccia bread is homemade and it is so soft and moist and served with nori butter. The sixth dish is a halibut tempura with prawn bisque and yuzu foam. The noodles of our carefully crafted matcha soba has the perfect chewiness and flavor. Then the remaining sauce is turned into a delicious soup. We are down to our final dish of the night. Guess what? It is a special rice bowl. It's topped with a generous amount of crab, scallop, this melt-in-your-mouth wagyu, and ikura. If you think the servings at the start were small and that you'd go hungry, well, this serving is so big that we were so full at this point. We almost couldn't eat this beautiful warabi mochi dessert. The second dessert is a Hokkaido milk ice cream with nomad caviar.